front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate one-handed mode on this Xiaomi. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down. Now choose additional settings, click on one-handed mode section over here and click on this switcher to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard size screen, you need to click on this gray area or swipe up. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely though, you need to click on the same settings and tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!